So I'm going to make a bird feeder chandelier. Here's the beginning of it. It's got all the wires in it. And I've never made one before, but I'm going to try. Okay, so far we've figured out how to break this thing down. And what we're doing is we kind of did it backwards because this is the way it is and this is the way we want, so that we can put our antique glasses on. And it needs to be kind of tight. I don't have the strength. Should look something like that. And the way we're going to do it is we're going to put this thing on, and then I'm going to glue this thing on, and it should stay fine. My plates. Okay, so it's all kind of ready to be painted. Kind of, I gotta clean it yet.